Hey, Zero Semester students! Welcome back to EduTube, your go-to channel for all things CS 001 and Math 001 at Virtual University, Pakistan. We've already covered lectures 17 to 22, and today we're diving into lecture 23, Data Representation. If you're gearing up for your final exams, this video is going to simplify data representation techniques and make everything crystal clear. So grab your notes, get comfy, and let's break this down step by step. Do you ever wonder how data is visually represented in charts or graphs? Well, in this lecture, we'll explore simple yet powerful ways to understand and represent both qualitative and quantitative data using methods like bar charts, pie charts, and more. These tools will make analyzing data for your exams way easier. Lecture breakdown. Today we're going to look at the different ways we can represent data visually. Let's start with the two broad categories of data we've already discussed in previous lectures: qualitative data and quantitative data. We'll break down the following: tabulation, simple bar chart, component bar chart, multiple bar chart, pie chart tabulation. In data representation, tabulation is a simple method where data is organized into tables. For example, if we want to see how many students from a class prefer Urdu medium versus English medium, we can put that into a frequency table like this. Pie chart. Now let's represent the same data using a pie chart. A pie chart divides a circle into parts that represent the different categories of data. Here's how we calculate the angle for each category. Urdu medium, 719 1/1200ths. Asterisk, 360 equal, sine 215. 7 degree, English medium, 481 1/1200ths. Asterisk, 360 equals sine 144. 3 degree. The larger portion, 215.7 degrees of the pie, represents students from Urdu medium, and the smaller portion, 144.3 degrees, represents those from English medium. Simple bar chart. Next, we move on to the simple bar chart. Imagine we're comparing the turnover of a company over 5 years. Each bar represents the turnover for a given year. We'll use bars of different heights to represent the turnover for each year, and the height corresponds to the turnover values. This gives us a visual comparison of the years at a glance. Bivariate frequency table. When we deal with two variables, we have a bivariate frequency table. Let's look at an example where we also track the gender of students along with their medium of instruction. The table below shows the breakdown. This table shows the relationship between gender and the medium of schooling. Component bar chart. A component bar chart is used to show how parts contribute to a total. For example, we can display male and female students separately for each medium of schooling. Each bar is divided into two parts, with one part representing Urdu medium students and the other part representing English medium students. In this chart, the length of the bar shows the total number of students, while the subdivisions of the bar show how many come from each medium. Multiple bar chart. Now let's move to a multiple bar chart. Suppose we have data on imports and exports for Pakistan from 1970 to 1974. A multiple bar chart can represent this data with grouped bars, each group showing imports and exports for a given year. In this chart, you can easily compare the imports and exports over the years. All right, that's a wrap on today's lecture. We've learned about various methods of data representation, from simple bar charts and pie charts to more advanced methods like component bar charts and multiple bar charts. These tools are essential for your exams, and with a little practice, you'll be able to visualize data quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EduTube. Make sure you also check out our previous videos where we covered lectures 17 to 22 to keep your preparation on track. Keep practicing, stay focused, and ace your final exams. Good luck and see you in the next one.